Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right now we are in the standard photo mode. As you can see, it is highlighted, so we can open the settings. Let's take a look at this option bar at the top and tap on this arrow right in the middle to open more options. Right here we've got the option self timer, and what I insist you to do is to tap on this small arrow which is in the right lower corner of this toggle of this option in order to open more options, because as you can see now we can choose the self timer, so we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Let's tap on it. As you can see, the icon changed. So after getting back, the timer should work. However, after tapping on the shutter button, we do not have any kind of countdown. So what we have to do is to go back to those options and tap inside this, on this option. And if you can see that it is highlighted in this yellowish color, it means that it is activated. So only setting the duration will now work. You have to still activate that. And now after tapping on the shutter button, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so to turn off the timer, tap on this arrow again and tap on the self timer, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.